Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to make an App Store app, the first step is to start with a clear idea that solves a real problem or provides value to users. Next, you're going to choose how you want to build your app. You can use coding tools like Swift with Xcode for iOS development or cross-platform tools like Flutter or React Native if you want both Android and iOS versions. After that, design your app interface using a tool like Figma. Keep it simple, clean, and user-friendly so people can easily understand how to use it. Now start building your app by adding features step by step, such as login, home screen, and core functions that make your app useful. Once your app is ready, test it properly on different devices to make sure there are no bugs or performance issue. Next, you need an Apple developer account because this is required to publish apps on the App Store. Then open Xcode and upload your app built to Appstore Connect, where you will create your app listing. Now add details like app name, description, keywords, screenshots, and add an icon to make your listing look professional. After everything is set, submit your app for review. Apple will check it for quality and safety before approving it. And that's it. Once approved, your app will be live on the App Store and available for users to download. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.